Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman here, and I will be reading The Suitcase by Chris Naylor and Ballesteros. Please enjoy. The Suitcase. A strange animal arrived one day, looking dusty, tired, sad, and frightened. He was pulling a big suitcase. Hey there. Hey there. What's in your suitcase? My suitcase? Well, there's a teacup. A teacup? There's a big suitcase for a little tea. That's a big suitcase for a little teacup. Yes, I suppose it is. But there's a table for my teacup and a wooden chair for me to sit on too. There's a table and a chair in your suitcase? Impossible. Well, it's the suitcase. But a table and chair, really? Yes. And there's a little kitchen and a wooden cabin where I make my tea. That's my home. It's on a hillside surrounded by trees. On a clear day, you could see the sea. It's all there in my suitcase. But I'm sorry, I'm really very, very tired. I've been traveling for a long time, and I came a long way. I must have a little rest. What a strange animal. I've never seen anything like you before. Either have I, but we really should let him sleep for a while. Well, I don't trust him. How do we know he's telling the truth? There's only one way to find out. Someone pass me a big rock. We're going to break open the suitcase and see what's inside. Maybe we need to know the truth. We can't do that. It's not ours. Extra good. Like the legs with the cauliflower crust, pepperoni pizza, with 8 grams of protein, 4 grams of sugar. It's extra delicious. Extra. In no time at all, the suitcase was opened. See, a broken teacup and an old photograph. He lied to us. Well, no, he did say there was a teacup. Yes, and now his suitcase is broken too. What will he think of us? Meanwhile, the sleeping stranger dreamed about running away and hiding, about climbing over mountains. And swimming across deep waters. And he dreamed about his suitcase and all that he had inside it. When he finally woke up, he couldn't believe what the other animals have done. I'm sorry I broke your suitcase. We fixed it as best we could, and we've been very busy while you were sleeping. We hope you like it. Thank you, it's perfect. There's just one teeny problem. I wonder what the problem is. We're going to need more teacups. I wonder if they got them more teacups. Oh, did you think they... What did you think? I think they should have stayed out of his suitcase. How about any of you? Instead of wondering what he had inside and if he was telling the truth or not. But, like I say, always respect somebody. If they tell you no, you can't get in there, don't go get in there. Always respect somebody and what they want you to do. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got? I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one. Take care, everybody.